Ofra Beauties, it's Steph here and welcome back to Ofra's YouTube channel. I am so excited to be on here today because you already know what time it is. We have some amazing and beautiful new launches to talk about and just play around with some makeup. So let's get on into some details and then we'll get on into how I got this look. So introducing the first of two launches, we have the Summer Edit Pro Palette. Now you guys know I live for overshadows. We have some amazing bronzes, some peaches, some neutrals. We have some beautiful neutral mattes up here and some perfect transition shades. And if you're like me and you live for shimmers and glow, we have definitely a fair share of that in this palette. So now until July 10th, if you guys go ahead and purchase the Summer Edit Pro Palette, you'll actually get it for a nice little steal. It's going to be retailing for $59 rather than the original $70. And also, you guys can use code Steph for some money off as well. Moving on to the next launch, we have a beautiful face palette. Blissful is such an amazing highlight, as well as Crazy Pink blush and Cocoa bronzer. Now, you guys can use these on your eyes, on your face, on your lips, whatever your heart desires. Both of these launches in general just give you such a beautiful glow. So if you're into that, trust me, you will be so into this. So it looks like with the Sweet Electric palette, they also have the same promotion going on. So now through July 10th, you guys can purchase this amazing beauty for $29 rather than the original retail of $35. These two beauties are available right now on ofracosmetics.com. They have officially launched, so go check it out, take advantage of this nice little promotion. And if you guys want to see both these launches come into action, be sure to keep on watching because we're about to get glam. I am so ready to get these new launches all over my face. We're starting off with the Summer Edit Pro Palette, which is such a beautiful 20-pan arrangement of some bronzes, some peaches, mattes, and shimmers, and we even have some amazing shades like Trance and Dreamcatcher from the Inspired Signature Collection as well. So, amazing combo. Let's go ahead and go into the shade Latte, which is right here. Just going in with a blending brush and popping that right into my crease for a transition shade. I'm also currently going in with a bit of Truffle, which is right underneath Latte, and just popping that into my crease and building that up. What I love about Ofra shadows is not only are they so easy to blend, but as you layer them, they don't lose their pigment, they keep their color, they don't get muddy, and they just blend so beautifully. Just chef's kiss always. Next up, we're going a bit deeper with Millennium Bark, and I'm just going in just with a tinier blending brush and packing that onto my outer corners. Next up, we are going down into the Bronze Goddess category, and you guys, Victory, I think this might be my favorite shade in the palette. Oh my gosh, it's like a dark bronzy gold, and it is everything you would want in a Bronze Goddess summer palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this onto my eyes, and ooh. Next up, going into Triple Black with a pencil blending brush. Just popping that onto the outer corners, sticking in there because I don't want it to completely overpower the eye. So the eyes are smoked out. I'm going to go in after I pop on some lashes with a little bit more highlight and just some more pops of color. But for now, we are going into one of my favorites, the HD Volumizing Mascara, just to have a nice little base layer for my falsies. So I'll be right back and we'll get back into it. Alright you guys, so I popped on some lashes, added a little bit of the Madison Miller X Ofra lip gloss, and now we are going into the Sweet Electric Midi palette. We have such beautiful shades in here, starting off with Cocoa right here, and then Crazy Pink for the blush, and Blissful, which is a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. So we're going to pop on some blush, a little bit of Cocoa, and then go in and finish it all off with some Blissful. Ofra blushes have been my favorite for the longest time now. I love the fact that you can intensify them as much as you want or just leave them in their natural state, which is flawless. And this one right here, Crazy Pink, it actually has a little bit of a sheen to it. So as you guys can see, I've got a beautiful glow coming out from it, and I live for that, especially during the summer. This is like the perfect addition to my blush collection that is growing every single day because I am obsessed. Next up, just to add a little bit more glow, we're going into the shade Cocoa. Just right underneath that, I'm gonna add that and blend it out so I can have these two perfectly nice and blended together while still getting that nice summer glow. You guys, this is gonna be like a really glowy look. I hope you're ready because I haven't even gotten highlight on and I'm already glowing. Finishing this whole beautiful look off with some Blissful highlight. Just going in with a nice fluffy brush and just swiping that all over my cheekbones, and ooh. If you guys know me, you know I live for an inner corner highlight as well, and also we're missing that brow bone. So of course, going into some Blissful and just popping that right inside to complete this look and blended it out. We are ready I'm glowing for the summer and I am living. Alrighty, Ofra Beauties. Well, this is the official finished look featuring the brand new Summer Edit Pro palette as well as the Sweet Electric Midi palette. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun creating this look, and let me tell you right now, this is going in my summer everyday pile. I am so living for this combo. It's so perfectly curated for the summer and honestly all year round, because if you're into peachy bronzes, shimmers, mattes, this baby's for you for sure. Don't forget, you can always use code Steph for some money off. I'm so excited to see your guys' looks, so make sure to tag me and Ofra in them. I would love to see if you guys were inspired by this. Be sure to comment down below and let Ofra know what you guys want to see next, as well as subscribe if you aren't already, and give this video a big thumbs up. I love you guys so very much. You guys can always find me on my Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube at It's Steph, and I will see you guys in the next one.